All right, I think that works. Okay, sorry about that, YouTube. So anyway, technical difficulties this week. Guys, we have clear levels above us. 164, retest. 164.90. 165.85. That's it. To the downside, is this extending into a channel? I sure hope so. If we do end up falling, the target is going to be a little bit underneath 160. That's 158.50. That's if we have established a channel. That happens with a candle close below 162, where we could see continuation to the downside, and that 158 would be ultimately the target is 155, and I'm looking to take this even further, and I think today I'm going to go ahead and grab a few October 145s, 140s, and start legging into it. Can we see a retest all the way to here? Yes. So I'm keeping that in consideration, and I will trade around these positions regardless. So, good morning. What's up, everybody? Yeah, you guys should be able to hear me on TikTok, but unfortunately, last night I don't remember why, but I unplugged my microphone. So, okay. So I think that's good right there. I know it's not picking up my voice very well. There we go. That should be good. Okay. Hey, Potter, you owe me money? You're right, I do. I forgot about that. That shit was good, though. That was some gas. I'm just kidding. Okay. So, we got Meta. Easy peasy. Tesla. Not so easy peasy. They just got the split. Get ready to get your socks rocked. I don't know if anybody even says that anymore, but this one is just, it's really simple. 855. I'm thinking we're going to see a move down to the 840s. But right now, as far as Tesla's concerned, I'm still myself concerned on whether or not we are maintaining a channel here or if there's something else in play. But at the moment, Tesla is still maintaining that setup. Kind of looks like a bear flag here, if you guys take a look on ye old Tesla. But we will see how this plays out. If it does pull back, watch for a bounce off of 861.45 and ultimately, of course, 856.34. So, time frame of candles for Meta. I'm watching the 15. So the reason that there is no, just get this out of your mind if you guys think this, or if you don't, that's fine. There's no perfect time frame, okay? You could be a day trader or swing trader and look at the 1 minute for a second. You gotta stop making so many rules, like as far as like, okay, yeah, maybe you need to be watching while you're trading a certain time frame, but as far as exploring or looking at a stock, any time frame that allows you to see the information or data that you're looking for, that's the time frame that you should be looking at, right? So if you look at the hourly and then you move to the 4 hour, and then the 4 hour makes more sense and you start to get it there, same thing, or if you're looking at the hourly and you see something's up against resistance, so you go to the 15 and the 5, and now you get to see how price action is developing. Maybe you're able to draw one of these little zones in order to set yourself an entry and exit on the lower time frame. So but let's take our attention over to Baba. All right, we gotta have a talk. All right, if you have been following me into this trade in any capacity, this is your last chance to make a sane decision and get the hell out of here. while I deal with this, because I can't. If it falls today, good on you, mate. But at at the present moment, I am not entirely sure that we're not about to, and it's so obviously set up bearishly that it looks bullish. So I need to see, and JD had earnings, so if JD dumps, then maybe we see a pullback. I need to see Baba to 88.50, period. I need to see Baba underneath $91. That was the target. 91 and 91.65. I am out of everything. Okay, I have I have downside positions and I have a hedge. I don't care what happens to Baba. I mean, I do care. I want it to fucking fall. But I will exit the positions if it's just not a good play. So, all right, it is 9:16. So anyway, Baba, Tesla, Meta. By the way, also quick shout out here to my boy Nova for whipping this thing together right here. And force you guys to look at it since nobody want to look at my page. So Meta, Alibaba, Tesla is pretty much going to be the trio. So I figured, fuck it, I'm going to throw it on a logo. But you guys can see that. Is my screen reversed? Oh yeah, it is. I always kind of forget to do that. You guys know the deal. Meta, Tesla, Baba. Hello? Are you okay? I've just got back from a long night of trading gold.
Dude, I have a gold sell limit, right, for overnight at 1744. Guess the overnight high of gold.
17.
43.50. Fuck gold.
Yeah. Yeah, you love it.
Nah, man, who does that to people? They just skip their order.
No order for you. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let Manny take over really quickly again.
Yeah, make coffee too.
Again, nothing's changed. Okay, so if you guys need to go look at my levels in my page, do so. Everything is the same. I will let you guys know exactly what I take when I take it, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put this definitive statement out right now. I may not trade today. Okay. I need to see a significant break. If we do what we did yesterday, I'm done. Bye-bye. See you guys tomorrow. Okay, we saw yesterday what happens when you know that we've already made our move and we sit on cash. And there's a lot of people who were able to see it happen, avoid burns, avoid over trading. So anyway, Manny, go take it away. I'll be back.
My coffee grinder on. So good morning, everybody. Looks like another waste of a day is probably about to happen. First things off, before I talk about my analysis, Zoom, Zoom. Um, that push down the Zoom had, it's very nice. That's the first thing. The second thing, it gives me a bit of Nike PTSD of when I traded Nike after earnings and tried to reject it. So I'm gonna wait and see what it does. But I think Zoom could be a nice short, and I think this thing can continue down for sure. So that's Zoom. Secondly, so most of my analysis today again is still revolving around the ES. This is what I've been trading, mostly because I gotta get like psychologically ready for when Tesla becomes a cheap stock. And I need a more of a high beta style ticker to trade. So if you look at ES, if you guys don't have futures data on, which is $6 by the way on TradingView a month, you don't have it because it's too much money. You can just use US 500. It's a CFD. It's what people use for forex, but it's 24 hours, so it's sort of the same. But moving on, ES is basically hanging at the lows of the session of yesterday, of the US session, right? We saw that once we had that open for Asia, we came down, we started playing around with that level, and then we ended up bouncing all the way at 41.18 right as London was about to open. This is totally normal. You guys remember what I always say, what Globex sessions are? Globex sessions are like a giant game of hot potato. So one session will set up for the other session, and that's just how it happens, and it keeps happening. You get what I mean? Hope everybody's with me. But that's sort of like how it happens. So the fact that London moved up, I mean, that's normal. It's like that release that we sort of get overnight. It could be also just market makers trying to hedge um, their charm. So it could be just straight charm flows that caused that reversal, right? But on a side note, I don't want to go short on ES till we lose that level. I don't want to go short because we can easily reverse and just grind up. Here's the thing. Remember the liquidity events that we had, right? And I'll say it before this turns into a mega rant. There is no fucking way in hell that Powell is going to be hawkish. There is no way in hell that Powell will be hawkish. How are you going to be hawkish when literally, like you said, inflation's coming down, dude? You said that last month. So how are you just going to come in and get hawkish? If anything, Powell is going to give his buddies another entry into ES, right? So if we get any selling, you can assume that it may get bought up momentarily, but not we're going to go to 450 or we're going to go to all-time high. If that makes sense. So I will trade the price. I will go with where I think flow, will basically go. But at the end of the day, there's no bias that I have on me. If I had bias, I would be short on everything pretty much since 4:30. But I like to let price tell me the story. I don't like to want to know the story and then or assume the story. I let the charts tell me the story. Liquidity events, it's what I call any news events, right? It's just an event that fuels liquidity. Anytime Powell talks, there's liquidity behind that. Algorithms are tuned into anything that Powell says, right? It just brings in volume, exactly. Yeah, so it's we're getting at that point. I posted some names that look nice. Dude, Meta looks absolutely fucking crazy for an opening reject. Um, the video as well. I don't like Tesla, right? Tesla looks like it's making a bear flag, but it's using yesterday's session and pre-market to make the bear flag. I don't do that. I would much rather had Tesla open near its lows, not all the way above, right? Everybody's with. So today again, it just looks like a straightforward session. But what Garrett said did pretty much stick with me, and that's something I've been trying to practice. Sometimes, at least me, it's just speaking for myself. Sometimes I feel the pressure of having to sit down and trade, and if I can be real, the less times I spend trading, and the more times I spend looking for a better and clean setup that I can just put size in, my day and life seems to turn out better. So remember, it's not about the quantity of trades, it's about the quality of the trade. If we don't have a trade that meets our quality, why would we trade it? Right? So if there's no trade, if there is nothing that's building the way we need it to build, right? Or we're just in range, we haven't broken the 15-minute high, or if we did break it, we just keep, coming back down or whatever it is. There's no reason to trade. I promise you guys. The quicker you get like the hang of trading when you find the quality setup, and not trading when you don't, the more progress you'll start seeing down the line. In all honesty. So yeah, I think we'll have a pretty straightforward session. The worst that can happen is we get met by some aggressive chop, and if that happens, some trade.
Yeah. Oh, if that happens, guys, listen. I feel it this week. I'm not gonna lie, I feel it right now before the bell. It's another one of those things where I see a lot of content creators like live all day. I used to do it myself when the market was a little bit more in trend. But right now, as we're dealing with like major support levels, there's no reason to force trades. We've already had a couple of great trades to start our week off. So if it doesn't show strength, don't take it. If you don't have a plan, don't take it. If you have a plan and it doesn't work out, stick to the plan that you made. So if you do end up entering something, so really quickly, if you guys swung meta with me, I have meta 150 puts still. That's where the majority of my cash is. And then I also have a call. The call is probably going to be either just down like maybe 20, 30 bucks. But this one, I'll be watching for a bounce off of that low that it's at currently, pre-market low. So let's see here. Yeah, 167.50s or 170s, whichever one that you have. I'll be watching for a pop over 164 and underneath 162. That's where we're liable to see a break to the downside and a possible test of 160. And we can go hit at 160.50 for meta. And we're starting to fall right now, so.
Have you seen Zoom?
Yeah, Zoom looks kind of crazy. It's falling pretty hard right now. I had an $85 target, dude. It's opening up at 84, 85. I'm sick. I was gonna take an $85 put for the low.
Zoom sucks. I'll just try this. Fuck 'em.
All right, we got 2 minutes.
Zoom is bleeding before the open. Never mind, I'm good.
Guys, remember the majority of my money on Baba is to the downside. I've got 90, 100. I got a $90 put still. I have an $85 put still. I have a $80 put as well. So like there's I'm out in expiration and stuff. So I have a hedge. That hedge I'm okay with cutting. It's obviously relatively cheap, $100 call. And I have a $92 call that I'm watching as well. So yeah, Zoom is falling.
Babe, I showed Garrett yesterday the new battery, and the first thing he said was, "Dude, you'll have a new battery every day."
You do?
Yeah.
You could probably like power a Tesla with all the batteries if you put them together.
I wouldn't doubt
Good
it.
Good morning.
Have a beautiful day. Don't chase anything stupid.
There you go. Morning motivation.
That's also dating
Don't
advice.
chase anything stupid.
Sorry. That's not funny.
Yeah. Everything is stupid.
I have a plan to make a move. Smooth 2000. Rod.
Just practice proper risk management, Rod. Roddy Piper.
I made that plan for this thing this morning, and I'm sticking to it.
All right, yo, Baba, get the fuck down, dude.
Let's get the party started.
Yo, by the way, T-Mobile. Holy shit. Why is that contract? Oh, okay, never mind. I thought it gapped down or some shit.
No one. Absolutely no one.
We were up 58% for like 2 seconds.
No one. Garrett.
What?
Watch T-Mobile.
No, not watch T-Mobile. Just already in it.
There's ES building up.
Guys, I still have meta calls from yesterday. They are down 6%. I'm still in Baba, watching. Watch Tesla 885. Everything just went neutral.
Shit, pre-market volume. Zoom though, Zoom had some nasty pre-market volume.
Yeah. Dude, I was like all stoked about T-Mobile. Idiot. News coming at 8:45 and 10 a.m. Care to fill me in? What am I missing? You talking about data?
What data?
I'm asking. Somebody just said that. They said it.
PMI? Oh yeah, China had Japan had the PMI yesterday.
It's corn.
9:45. So in 15 minutes, like I said, I have no hurry. I'm not gonna trade chop, man. I'd rather have a day in my calendar without a trade than a red day. Yo, the tape for Zoom is nasty.
Dude,
nasty. Bad size orders, dude. Slapping the ass.
Slapping the ass.
Like
yo,
they're fitting the ass, dude. Like the fucking queue is insane.
Guys,
almost every 10 cents is like 1,000 shares.
Look, guys, candle close. Right here, you can go to the 15-minute on Baba. There we go. Look at that. Open below. We need to see a push down. Look at Tesla. Watch Tesla for a tap up to 885. Watch SQQ for a bounce at 39.26. Meta looks like it's still holding. I'm still in calls. Still in calls on Meta. Why?
SPX is building 41, 42. So if we continue building here, there's a good chance we're gonna trade into that 41.68, like I said in the morning analysis.
Okay, Baba. If you guys have any Baba, I'm gonna cut my Baba call, guys. My hedge. Baba puts are starting to turn green. Maybe. I'll cut the call if we, or I'll re-enter a hedge if we get above $90. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and let my puts run. Target right now is 88.50. Guys, I still want to go ahead and re-enter SQQ at some point.
ES is building nice. Waiting for this candle close.
Baba's doing pretty good right now. Baba looks fresh. What's JD doing?
I got this coffee without sugar. It tastes like death.
I drink straight. I just cracked a coffee right at the bell.
I got this coffee without sugar. It tastes like death.
And I'm a little jittery. All right, I need to see JD. JD needs to go ahead and take a dump here.
I'm being JD and being told when to take shit.
Yes, Baba. Fuck yes, man. I've been waiting for a long time for this shit to happen.
It's been a long time.
It's been a long time.
It reminds me of that scene from Titanic.
Oh, PMI and new home sales. Yes, I thought you were talking about something I didn't know about. Hell fucking yeah, Baba. And that's 88. Guys, we gotta break 88.50, so if you have anything you want to trim off of Baba at 88.50, that's gonna be the place to do it. Holy shit. Come on, Baba. Oh my god, let's go. Hold on, I might have to roll myself out here.
This Zoom is building.
Zoom.
The whole way down, they were hitting the ass, dude. That would have been an easy dong.
Yeah, I'm taking an $85 put for September 16th to add to Baba here. Guys, this is a relatively... Okay, that's not getting filled. Yeah, go fuck yourself. Oh, sorry.
Alright, first 5 minutes, guys. The next 5 minutes must build. It can't just come down and go to the lows of the previous candle.
Oh, man, don't wick me. Alright, right there. I'm going to go ahead and take profit on some of the shorter expiration, right? As I entered a longer expiration. Boom, bada, bing. Baba's dying. Oh my God, dreams really do come true.
Oh my God, Garrett.
Stop. Just leave me alone. Let me live it. Let me enjoy this moment. Do you know how long I've been waiting for this shit? All right, guys. Perfect patience on meta, guys. Look at that bounce. Look at that build. We got calls.
Oh, there's ES, baby. That was easy.
That's money, dude.
That's money, dude.
Yo. Oh no.
That's money, dude.
Put it on a cracker, dude.
With a little cracker. That dude's hilarious, bro. Can't cook for shit, but he's funny.
All right, yo, I might take a meta for a bounce here, but remember, guys, the zone. If you guys have meta calls, we need to get it past 164. Bob, our SQ is at that area now. Come on, Baba, just there. You, God, that is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Except for, of course, my children.
Oh, yes, really? Are you gonna come back down?
The kids don't make red candles like this. No, just kidding. $87 is my nearest target here for Baba. There's also 88 right here where we just made it.
That's money, dude.
That is money, dude.
4150. I'm dumping my position on ES. If we get there.
Oh my God, this is so good. $87 is gonna be big. Look at the SQQ bounce right off of support. Wait, hold on. Am I tripping? I'm not tripping. Yo, I might actually take profit on this meta call. Watch for a rejection here. When did I enter that? Oh, sweet. Sweet.
Sweet baby rays.
I'm like lost for words right now, dude. Baba's like, let's see. What is it? I've been waiting on this to happen since like the beginning of August.
Hey, so yeah, I just said that first. Baba's the reason why ES is further.
I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the call. But before I do that on meta, I'm gonna go back to SQQ. If you guys are still holding, it's all good. September 30th. Holy hell, is there?
I'm all out of ES. Obviously, Baba's selling off, and there's no fucking tomorrow. That's not gonna hold up the S&P. I'll just wait for another entry.
87.11, 87.16. Y'all. Fuck, that's not gonna do it either. Hold on, sorry.
That's not money, dude.
I apologize for the influx of cussing on my part, guys. I've turned into a pirate.
Hard.
No. Y'all, I'm gonna hit a $42 strike for September 2nd here. Alright. Oh, sweet baby rays. Let's go. If you're in Baba, you should be... Whew. Doesn't care. I don't care what expiration in. You should be printing. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm still waiting. Remember I told you guys that 5-minute candle, this is exactly what it didn't have to do, which is come back down and waste the other half. If we were going to build up, that's not what price does. So I'm just waiting for a trade. Either we break that little bear flag we drew, or we just stay in range.
Make a trade, make a trade.
Make a trade.
Sweet dreams are made of China. Guys, I trimmed out a profit on all shorter expiration contracts for Baba. All shorter expiration contracts for Baba.
What is the news with Baba? Why is this happening now?
Because of me. No, just kidding. Baba is dumping because JD had earnings and they tried to pretend like they did well and then they really didn't, and now they're having to deal with the consequences.
Pain!
Pain! I'm enjoying this.
Isn't it also facing delisting?
Oh yeah, sorry. I kind of blocked.
That's the other thing.
I've heard that so many times that I block that out. I don't even listen. They're like, I'm like, whatever. Let me see the pink sheet, okay? All right. I'm still holding that that meta call here. Oh my goodness. What if Baba just fell all the way to 85?
Total collapse of the Chinese CCP party.
Oh man, I had a weekly for that I swung last week on Baba. It's now up 87%. Did I cut my meta call? No. I actually have like I kind of missed the straddle actually, or missed I ended up grabbing a put. And I forgot to close it. I hit a closing order. So I actually have a fucking call and a put that are evenly balanced. So I like inadvertently entered a straddle, but I have a meta 157.50 put, and that's down 29 bucks. And then I have a meta 167.50 call that's down $6. So I'm just gonna basically let this this thing break, you know, either way, and then I'll go ahead and take profit. Guys, target smashed on Baba. Holy shit. So the September are, if you have, oh wait, oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Damn. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and close out of that.
Fuck you, Baba. Damn, Joker, what happened, man?
SQQ. Damn, that what a call. Holy shit.
Yes, and just going full Dumposaurus Rex.
I love it. Yes.
I'm glad I cut that shit when I did. Whee!
Wow. This is the best.
Oh, for real, dude? Yeah, fuck Baba then, bro.
What happened?
Scamming people and shit. He said he ordered something and got scammed.
Fucking A, let's go, dude.
What's happening to this?
Let's go! Baba! Nobody wants to buy you. Everybody wants to sell. China's in the toilet. See you at $85.
Watch TS here. Things could get fun.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up that Baba call or the meta call that I swung yesterday. It is down 15 buckaroos. So I'm gonna wait here. Oh my god. I'm done. That's it. I'm gonna hold Baba nice and tight, and that's it. I'll see you guys. Remember that guy on TikTok who told me that he was gonna buy calls once he found out that I was in puts?
Yeah. How he's doing.
I wonder.
I wonder.
Bet it gets me if you want.
Bid.
Oh my god, SQQ! Let's go! Perfect entry on SQQ.
Is that 4131 level that I said in my analysis? So a build down here, we're gonna.
I'm out of the call on meta, and I've got the 157. Oh, that's fine. You don't want to take my order? That's fine. I didn't want to.
Order. Oh my god, ES! What the fuck is that?
Did they just bounce it right?
Yes! Holy shit! Oh, the PMI. That's why.
Yeah. It's just a retest.
A retest?
It's just a retest. Watch. Watch. They'll sink it. They'll sink. I love that you can always tell that Manny's on the 3 minute. That's where he trades
like,
though.
Manny just opened the shit when fucking green. Alright, let me see what the PMI came out as.
So there's two. When I'm looking to hedge, there's a couple different things that I'm either looking to do. I'm either looking to capture my, like, essentially, I know what would happen if my stop loss, because my stop loss is usually leveraged on where I see shorts. So if to the downside. So if that gets broken, I know where it could squeeze, and I enter something that would capture that, and then that would just give me time to get out of the trade that I was initially in, right? So like that's one strategy that I keep in mind, or keep, you know, like if SQ, and we do have this giant wick below us, but if SQ and Meta, because I haven't entered anything for Meta short, I just cut that call. But if Meta gets back up above 163, that's where we could actually see a little bit of trouble here.
That wasn't that good.
Yeah, I didn't really see that as a market moving.
No, it is. Yeah, gold. It woke up gold. So yeah, there.
Okay, so it woke up gold. Okay.
Yo, I was long on gold, dog. I was long, and I promise you, I cut it just because I was like, nah, I don't feel like holding this.
You took profit on Baba? Awesome.
Shit.
That's dope. I look tired. $10K in student loan forgiveness. That'll take a couple semesters off. Do you think they should have student loan forgiveness for art schools? Boom, go.
Oh, we're gonna have the
argument started. I'm just kidding.
Congrats to anybody, and you're welcome.
All right, so Meta's being stupid, which is fine.
Dude, poor Meta. That's feelings, you know.
I haven't entered anything yet. I'm still watching. I like my positions right now. T-Mobile, by the way, is up like 3%. So again, we're out till October, so you shouldn't even be looking at it. But it did have a nice short here this morning, and I think we might actually see a pullback here. For SQQ, if you're in, remember you're long. It looks like we might end up getting a reversal here. Anywhere below $39, that's probably going to be a sufficient enough stop loss. And then for Meta, if you have Meta, or if you're in Meta still, again, I haven't entered anything to the downside. If you have those $300, if you have those puts for me, or with me, for September 30th, you can hedge above 164 for a push up to 165. It's that simple. Right now, it's going to be the goal for buyers to break and hold. Yeah, right now we're reversing off of that, but it's going to be their goal to break and hold above 163.24. So, yeah.
It's like Garrett said, the same thing I said this morning. If things don't look good, there's no trading. Look at SPY's chart right now, and if that looks tradable, tell me.
Watch for a rejection on the Qs at 316.24. There is no trade on Meta yet. Okay, go ahead and hop into something, and you can. I mean, I don't see a trade yet except for the hedge. We're just in a box, like Roddy Rich. Yeah, be patient on Baba, guys. We just got like an amazing move, basically from $90 all the way down to $86, $87. So you never cut your Meta. You're better than me. Yeah, hold your Meta hedge if you had it. Up 29% on my account out of Baba. Listen, that was painful. But fuck, man. That was, stick to your analysis, man, and stop losses. That's just so nice. Did you, Boxer, you guys had Baba, right?
Yeah, I got rid of most of them and have one runner left.
Fuck yeah, man.
So, yep.
So So happy. That's 2 days where our swing trades have paid off, which is nice because
it's building.
Not a lot of entries. Yeah, meta's building.
Oh my fucking god! What the hell is happening?
They're gonna squeeze the. Wait, hold on. Here it is. Just wait for it. Wait for it.
Dude, I just want you to know there are no like big orders coming in on ES. There's this price getting driven up. There's not like over 50 contracts being traded. Nobody's bidding on this. Nobody's selling into this. This is all algo traded, dude. If you look at the slower tape, it's just one. You know, the tape with bigger sizes. There's barely any prints. There was legit no printing for like 4 minutes. Fuck that. Oh, either way, my ES target got hit, but fuck that.
I wonder if meta rejects here. That's a pretty bullish candle. Guys, I say we go to 155. You've got above 164.35. And but that's only if we close. Remember, 1, 2, 3. This is our third trip up to resistance. So keep that in mind. And we also need to see yield Qs reject. It could reject here. Gang, gang.
I wonder how many people think gold is bullish again. Fucking apes. Dude, I'm legit like cash. I took one trade, I lost $100. I think that's as much as I'm willing to give up for today.
I haven't really entered anything myself, actually. Everything that I've done the last 2 days have been swing trades from last week, which have been fucking amazing. You know, literally yesterday, meta swing was stupid. TP'd most of that. If you guys re-entered meta here, or if you still have your hedge, 165 is the target. 165. Anywhere higher is 167. STBX IPO today.
They're selling into ES on the pops. Like at 150, there was no bidders, but there was people selling on the ask. So whoever longed at the bottom, they all got out of their orders there. Now the algos are, they don't have anything else, so now they're trying to hit bids. And it's just a giant shitstorm.
For Baba, guys, we just, and this is the dangerous area that we're in, we've got to look at where we can reject. 88.50. 88.50, we got to see sellers step back up. All right, so, remember, you guys are allowed in the Discord if you guys have to unmute yourselves. If you guys have questions. You said 317. That's the next leg I have up is 318.05 for the Qs. Guys, I'm hanging on to my SQQ. You can either hedge or just trade meta. Right now,
trade on ES. That's order flow. That's what, like, when people say, "Oh, like what, like order flow? What does it do?" What I just explained, right, on ES. It was rising, right? There was nobody buying. There was nobody putting up bids. The minute we got to 41.50, all we had were sellers, right? Once those sellers got filled and the algos had nowhere else to go, they had to start hitting bids because they just bought up this huge amount of orders that they don't want. That's why we saw that move down all the way from like 150 something to 147. That's what order flow technically is. When somebody says, "Oh, I trade via order flow," that's what they mean. That's what they're looking for.
I just trade off the moon. All right. Honesty time. So the short that I took, like with SQQ and like meta and everything, I did ask New that we were about to go into a new moon cycle. And I've looked over the last like 9 months, and yeah, I don't know why. I'm not going to explain or try to. But yeah, it kind of
Jesus.
ran together. But that wasn't the reason why I made that decision. But I was like, the moon's on my side, so fuck it.
It was like 80% of the reason.
Maybe. No,
Give or take.
no. I've been aiming for three. It's so funny that it hit 3:30 on the last day of or right before the new moon. So I was like,
Somebody's unmuted. You guys can please mute.
There you go. What's that apple punch?
Oop! I unmuted him. That was my fault.
Alright.
Did you bounce, Big Stepper? Did you bounce Baba? You're a bad boy.
Big Stepper is the algorithm.
Nice. Yeah, I agree with your price target. Because I'm going to go short there. Here, let's change hands. Sorry, I might get toasted.
Tesla's building up.
Up.
ES is again, it's getting sold into.
Yeah, so is Meta.
Meta sucks.
But stop. It doesn't.
ES sucks as well.
What was
All
it?
of this sucks. If your company's good, you don't IPO. You know it's true. It's true, Gary. If you have a good company, the last thing you want to do is IPO.
I mean, yeah, you're selling yourself to Wall Street, who's then gonna make
Exactly.
you. They're just gonna like make you do things. They're like sugar daddies you didn't ask for.
Yeah. Like there's ES still putting up this rejection.
Sugar poppy.
Probably into 41, 42.
The glucose guardian. Fructose fighter.
Bro, I kid you not, Parallax. I don't even know who the GameStop CEO is, the BBY, the AMC. I don't even know. I don't even care to know anything about those companies. I think Garrett can even say this. All those meme stocks were running. I think I was the only one still trading high beta names. I was still trading Tesla, SPY, all that shit. Because while those things were pumping, they were all selling off. Good times. That was the funnest time ever, dude. Just wake up every day, just short, margin calls.
I get to wake up every day in my life.
Yeah, like, look, I get why people think he's a piece of shit, but if I can be real with you, if I had the power to do the same thing and encourage that, I would do it as well. Because this is a world that it's not, like, for the people, it is for you.
Yeah.
Right? That's what it's all really about.
People who IPO shit are trying to get, I mean, like, it's a whole different world of wealth. Like,
yeah, it's at the end of the day, you're telling me, let's say you invest in ABC, right? And ABC IPOs, but you invested private. Now your investment of like $1 million is worth like fucking 50 mil. You're gonna tell me you're not gonna sell at the IPO? Dude, you're gonna be the one providing liquidity for all those apes that are chasing the stock price. That's how it is. You think Snoop Dogg had any, he felt bad when he was selling into Hood at the IPO and every other investor? No, bro. Nobody feels bad about that shit. It's money at the end of the day.
yeah, dude, look at Martin Shittarelli. That fucking
What's
dingus.
that one, the pill guy?
Yeah, man, that dude's on TikTok. Fucking, I commented, like, I've got, he's actually replied to a couple of my comments, because sometimes I wake up and, yeah, maybe I choose a little bit of violence, but, I've made a video, like, duetting him, because, like, this man said that he went to jail, and this dude, like, went in his face, he was, like, the biggest dude in the jail, and the dude, like, said something to him, he's like, yeah, I'm the biggest, like, chicharroni, like, in this place. Like, I'm like, dude, no, like you don't have to come out of jail and lie and like try and recover your name, because like really he's just digging deeper into being a piece of crap, like that. But that's just it. Like, the man got into it, skyrocketed fucking prices, for that. There's Target.
They took advantage of their position. That's what everybody does, right?
Everybody does.
That's it. Unless you're Buffett and you just diamond hand everything, like that's what you do. You sell into liquidity. That's what they're there for.
$88 puts on Meta or on Baba here, guys. That's what I'm jumping into. You don't have to do this with me. I'm just gonna grab a couple. Stop loss is gonna be the
new housing stats just came out.
88.60 will be my stop here. Guys, this is stupid risky. Take another play if you would rather a higher probability play. Guys, meta is still in the box. So if you're taking or doing and strategizing new
Holy
positions.
shit, Garrett!
What?
The new home sales, the estimate was like 2 point something percent. 2.7. It's 12.6.
Holy shit.
Holy shit, dude! I might be able to buy a house. Holy
Meta's
crap.
gonna squeeze up and out of this, I think. Did it hit 165? No, it hit 164.50. Alright, hold on, waiting for this candle to close on Baba.
That is crazy, bro. Oh my god. How am I still getting messages from Zillow saying, you know, this house we were watching just sold? I don't understand.
Oof. This is why I leave this.
ES. I mean, that was a pretty easy move. I told you guys, ES is gonna trade into 41, 42. 41, 42. It's now at 41, 50. I hate fucking features. I'm gonna do a workshop one of these days for all you guys. I'm gonna teach you guys how to trade futures. When I do, you're all gonna probably tell me like I'm a dick, because it's the most stupidest method. It's the one that works. Then you have plunger with like some colorful fucking charts that they work as well. So you're like, why would you go through all of that when the simplest method also works? And it's insane. I don't know how else to describe it, but it's like insanity.
Dude, don't tell me I was right. Yo, look at Q's. 316.13 on the dot.
Yeah,
I'm still in Baba short, guys. Don't at me, okay? Is that what they say? What does that even mean? Oh, don't tag me. What, Parallax?
Yeah, dude, gold is like
Your
probably
move?
waking up every like perma bull. Gold 1750. You guys want to know my average for my longs? Look, I'll tell you right now.
Baba.
DJ's about
Baba, who do you think you are?
I had a 40 lot at 1735.
You thought-
Sorry, a point 40. I had like a 40 lot, point 40.
Yeah, this is not my usual trading strategy here, guys. I'm not usually shorting the top of shit, so.
No, I'm still waiting.
I just shorted Baba, but I feel like that may have been personal.
It may have been personal.
It's got me so jacked up this morning. I'm just throwing a little bit of profit, which is a terrible idea. So. Okay, there we go. That's money, dude. Now let's see a pullback here, 87.82. Guys, we're still in the box.
Dude, this is the lowest level
since January 2000.
January 2016 for housing.
That was my headline. No, I'm just kidding.
Okay, take it back. You can say it.
I need you to say it backwards so you actually do take it back. Rewind yourself.
Rewind. Reverse.
Ooh, Baba.
Jeez, dude.
Baba.
Are you still short Disney? I don't know if you are or were, because I think it's moving very technical. I think we rejected VWAP. It's coming back into the lows.
Bias as fuck. Yeah, it happens to me too. When would you pull your last runner to the downside on Baba if I had one? Like to the downside as it falls more, or to the upside as like I got to get rid of this thing?
No, Manny, I'm not in anymore. I accidentally closed Disney, thinking it was Baba, so.
She just gets.
Oh man, that's bad.
It's
okay.
okay.
The first time I ever used honkies, I had two tickers that I was watching.
Get down.
And then I traded the opposite. Like I traded the other one instead of the one I was looking at. And when I realized it worked out. But no, that shit sucks. I hate it when that happens.
All right, I'm gonna trim if we hit 87.75.
I think Stepper shorted it with you.
You did this with me? Oh shit, stepper. So big stepper's gonna get hit. Dude, you don't want to get hooked on this, man. This stuff is no good.
Garrett, and at the money contract, how much are they?
Which ones?
Like in general. Hold on, I'll just look them up.
On Babas, they're about 100, 200 bucks, 150 bucks. One step out of the money. Yeah, they pay well too. Look at the volume of the puts right now. Yo, $90 calls has insane volume right now. It's a little scary.
86 puts have insane volume, dude. It's between the 90 and the 86.
Oof. All right, reject here. What's the formation called on my Tesla? What's that formation? Wait, Tesla. Oh, that? It's just a channel, my friend. My friend. All right, Baba just kind of flagged up here. Above 88.50 again. Probably close. But not until it does that. It can reject right here. Meta struggling. It is 10 o'clock. So if QQQ goes to the upside, I've got retest levels of 317.85 and 318.50. So that's upside targets for QQQ, which I would say right now we still have. I would say right now if you still have your meta calls, like just hold them. They still look fine. The median, right? See where that wick jumped off of? That's where we need to hold below. There you go, Baba. A little bit more there for me, please, por favor. Aquí.
Long Tesla. Careful. I'm just kidding. I'm not even watching the chart.
Long Tesla. Oh, I see your hourly candle close there.
Yeah, but it's still below the 20s.
It looks like we're gonna build up. I mean, it does, but I just don't like price action right now. So.
It's trading like complete doodle. Like this candle will probably end up getting faded on ES if it doesn't just close above. And even if it does close above, the next candle will probably drop all the way down.
Trying to make Baba my trophy wife? No, she'll cheat on you. She'll take all your money overnight.
God, dude, gold is still building. Oh, this GIF is hilarious. The DJ found it. Look at this.
Parallax, don't use that word again, my guy, or I'm gonna do it to you. I'm gonna figure out where you live and do it to you. Do it. All right, never mind. I won't do it. I won't come over there and if you. I know your address. Don't threaten me. I actually do know your address. I think I do. I could find it. I still have that target on 883.85 on Tesla. So if you are long on Tesla, Meta looks like it's still, guys. I think it's inevitable 165.13. Yeah, this is bad. This is choppy, poopy price action, just like we talked about. Why do I have pivot points on my RSI or on my? Dude, I had pivot points on my TTM squeeze. I don't know how I did that. All right, I'm gonna reduce risk here on Baba. Right here as we push above 88.50. T-Mobile is up 5%, my friends. Said nobody ever.
That ES completely dominating. This thing is going to trade into 168, 170. Damn, the ES is... Wow. I have seen easy things to read in my life, but this is scary. And yeah, people struggle with it. I don't know.
There's Meta 165. Add to it if you will, if you need, if you do.
5 minutes till this 15-minute candle closes. Watch ES for that 141.50 hold. If it comes down, if it doesn't do it on this candle, it'll do it on the next. but that should give entry to anybody because we filled those wicks, we filled that liquidity that was there, right? All those shorts they had to squeeze out. That's why we had that move. They had to cover out that they didn't sell before, and then you see,
Dude,
this is built. They're not even trying to pull back. That's money, dude.
That's money, dude.
Nice job, Rod.
Yeah, Meta. If you guys added to Meta right there, 165.13 coming in hot. I'm out of Baba here. Guys, I'm all out. Nice try. Maybe next time.
Oh, dude, I should change my name to Tick. I'm about to take that dude's job. Just kidding.
To what?
My favorite golf comedy skit is from Family Guy when Peter takes Louis golfing.
There's Meta. There you go.
It's Lois, not Louis.
Alright.
That's how I know you're not a Family Guy fan, bro.
English is not my first language, man.
Yeah. Are you harassing Manny? No, just kidding. Are you?
Fucking harassing me, man? What the fuck?
Are you making fun of Manny? Race. My favorite episode is of any animated is American Dad when the band My Morning Jacket they featured My Morning Jacket. It's one of the most hilarious.
I like Ollie, dude. Ollie's a whole ass character. How's it with it today, Ollie?
Dude, I swear to God, if Baba rips back up off of this,
Hey, go Ray.
I'm gonna lose my mind. Baba, you broke it. That's fine. Retest it if you must, but 89.20 is whatever you have left would probably be invalid, but I've gotten some good entries on Baba. Yeah, we need someone to go into the Alibaba website, you know what I'm saying? No, I'm just kidding. Stop. That was a joke. Just jokes. Parallax, you seem like somebody who'd sell your rights.
Yeah, that ass. I agree with that.
89.18. Oh God.
Oh, Tesla is just going ape mode.
Yep. Their second target was 885, 886 right there. Next.
If Tesla builds today for the whole day, it's gonna gap fill those two gaps.
Yeah. I would say the next target is 896. It's the day after the split, so you can expect. Or is it the split today? Right? We already got it. Or is it the 25th? That's right. It is the 25th. Okay. I mean, shit. It's never too late. You could run all the way back up to 940. Shabba ding dong. All right, everybody.
Hannah's here in the room. She just started cracking up.
What?
When he said that. Oh, fucking A. Okay, so yeah, I would like 900, dude. If Tesla splits at 900, that's okay. It's still tradable, guys.
Yo, if Baba, you need to hedge yourself. If you have any, you shouldn't have taken a new position. We were taking profit here, but Baba's got to reject. If it doesn't, then it's going to go up to this median here, which is $90. Above 90, you're going to squeeze the ever-living dog crap out of these individuals. So Baba needs to see a hellish rejection at some point in the near future. I really hope we didn't just establish a new zone, but yeah. QQQ still looks on track for 317.75, which would probably put Meta back up around 165.85. So if you're still holding your calls, I haven't really done anything with Meta today, guys. Even if I did swing calls or whatever, I just had to re-enter the same call that I cut. I've already out of it, and the put that I still have, like I am still well within profits. Like this contract could go back to what it was worth originally, and I would still be 100% okay with it. It is a runner until Meta hits 145. The September 30th contract runner that I have, we go to zero or this. And I mean, I told the admins last night. I've told people before, dude. If Meta reverses somehow and moves back up to the upside, like I quit. I just no more. Everything I thought was real was fake. It's all made of plastic. Scalp Tesla for another 750. My trading plan for the day is complete. Rod. Instead of wrangling cattle, you're wrangling options. It's the most badass thing ever.
Man, this shit is so fun.
All right, next challenge: scalp Tesla while actually wrangling cattle. Let's see how good you are. How many hours do I trade? I'd say keep it underneath 3 to 4.
Oh man, I missed that exhaustion until 4160. Oh well, god damn, I don't make a trade by 10:30. I'm going to the gym.
Starbucks.
Grind ups, man.
Guys, I don't do IPOs and all that other funny stuff, so. Am I out of SQQ? No. So due to the expiration and the fact that I have a meta call, or had a meta call, I think that we get a bit. You can just hedge yourself using this week's contracts if you have to. I'm not. I would say this is one of the first like bigger pullbacks that we see or have seen, but I am still suspecting that we will bounce off of either this 38.50 that we just hit, and or 38.40. So I'm gonna continue to hold. If I see a major shift or anything like that, then I'll obviously fill you guys in on what I do with that. But at the moment, everything is still bullish, just for bounce and possible retracements. Doesn't Meta have a gap up here as well? Yeah, Meta has a gap up to 167. Let me see here.
Yeah, I missed that though. It's okay.
Yeah, I say we just need it. We need a bounce. We need a bounce. Like that's number one.
If 4150 is held on ES and SPY holds 4133, we could potentially keep building today.
I'm looking at Meta right now, guys. I'm starting to see another leg. We just need to close above this. Nice rejection on Baba here so far. I'm not gonna take it, but back underneath $88 would be preferable. Short Tesla here. I don't see anything that is calling short yet on Tesla. Not a damn thing quite yet. The only thing I see at the moment is this potential setup. It's not clear.
It still has like 6 more points to finish the gap fill.
You could. They could flush it back down one more time, right here. I'm watching. This is kind of like one of the last like marks. I had 86.26. 28. It hit it on the dot. Everything that just broke down this morning has gone and retested. So we'll see. It might be. Yes. So I'm light into SQQ, okay? As I'm legging into this position. Down right now. I'm looking for a couple of bounce levels. Set your alerts so that you're not having to monitor it. If you picked the right expiration, you can grab a weekly put. You could aim for the gap. So let's say you could go $37 and you can just set a stop loss, right, on that 37 at 39, right, where those sellers stepped up there. So I personally don't see the need to do that myself, so I'm going to continue to hold. I thought I had it this morning, but see what happens when you think.
Tesla is definitely not a short any time today. Look at all the volume in the buy.
Yeah, I mean, you got to think that you got to try and overtake the sentiment today. That'd be pretty fucking tough.
Hoping to get back in to 880, but I don't think it's going to get down there for me. Long minute.
I would say look at a Tesla that it's not outside of the question to see a solid test of 894 today, 895 if you can break above this 200-day EMA and 886 level. For sure, you've got some gaps to provide as targets. So. I think the Tesla's about to split, so there's not going to be a 750 anymore. What is Tesla going to be, like $100 or something like that, or?
No, it's a 3 split. So if
Oh,
it
that's
close
right.
at 900, it's like a $300 stock,
Yeah, I got you.
which would be nice. $300 Tesla is not that bad,
Uh-uh.
but like $100-something Tesla, that's just bad. Like it's boring. It's not gonna trade the same. 10 lots, forget it. Our positions pay nice when you're doing a 10K scalp. When you do a 10K scalp, 10% is $1,000.
Yeah.
Right? 10% is easy to get when you trade Tesla. That's the easiest fucking percentage to get to. So if you have Tesla now that a 10 grand scalp is no longer 10 contracts at the money, now it's fucking 30 or 40, that's when it gets a little bit annoying. Start putting more commission, price action is a bit different. You don't get that like explosive high beta-ness that Tesla usually had. It's like Apple, dude. When Apple was a $500 stock, that thing was the best thing you could ever trade. The minute
yeah.
Apple split, forget it.
Yeah, Apple was ass after the split.
What was it? Beta, dude. Look, no, another example. The recent one, Nvidia, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, $700 Nvidia, unmatched.
Oh, yeah, dude. I mean, yeah, absolutely.
Unmatched.
Literally, absolutely insanity.
You would literally like when they were gonna split or whatever, gap up. You just wait. Take it long over pre-market highs if you could fill, because the volatility was crazy. And if you filled,
Holy.
easily like 30-40% trade.
Yo, I wonder if we pull back here.
Oh, Gary, don't you say that.
Hold on, calm down. I just speculate, right?
41.68 first.
You lay off those espressos. Getting all jumpy on me. Scaring me. SQQ bounce. Baba rejection. Listen, this is not an A1 trading day unless you traded Tesla to the upside.
And even then, it was choppy.
Even then, was choppy. So the only thing that I saw that was the best was Baba, and it's kind of an ass, but we took profit. Literally, we said it, guys. This is literally like the best part of having a plan. Our plan, I told you guys, $87. I'm gonna go ahead and take profit. I saw the bounce level. The only thing that would keep people in, knowing that something is going to bounce, is hoping that they're going to be able to make more money on it. And the only time, and I'll give you this, instead of, like, you can't make that ever go away, but you can appease it, right? I left a runner, okay? The runner has expiration, and at that point, I can go ahead and, if it does cross a certain median, I'll go ahead and I'll, take it off the chopping block. So, do you get more than 3 trades a week? find a broker that does a cash account, guys. Dealing with PDT is just. Okay, hold on. I'll say this because Manny's seen me do it multiple times. I can flip an account with PDT because essentially I do well, like under some sorts of pressure or like having guidelines like already. Like you can't fucking day trade. All right. Well, now I have to make a plan. You know what I mean? So like if I'm like forced into making a plan, like then no problem. I can go ahead and like, and I flipped a lot of accounts having to abide by it, but eventually all of them fell to the PDT rules. So I will say though, Weeble just like forgot I exist for a long time. They just let me have margin for like I was making like 25 day trades a day that they just didn't. It's like I was flying under the radar, and then one day they're like, "Hey, you've been you're like maybe a couple hundred over the limit, so we're gonna have to pay into your account now." Yvaba, but don't get excited yet. That's a little 5-minute candle. Write it down on your desk. 5-minute candles don't excite me. If your wife or husband sees that, they're gonna be like, "What the fuck are you?"
What's wrong with you, man?
I guess I'll go buy some red candles and see what happens.
Oh my god, my back. Yeah, I'm out to the gym, dude. This price is horrible. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy, y'all. Don't be apes. Peace out, dude.
Alright, bro. Have a good day.
Peace.
Alright. Well. Really glad a couple of things have been done today. Baba Swing from last week paid us a little bit of an ad. Good to go. Still watching this one because it still goes lower, in my opinion, to the gap. We did and predicted a bounce of some sort. Meta 165 on the dot, rejected. So seeing the price action, how did we know that it was only going to go to 165? Because it took forever to get there. All right, it's like I don't know. Like I'm trying to think of a metaphor, but like Meta was like a 90-year-old lady this morning. It like caned its way up there, and what's the chances of it actually breaking a psychological number immediately? That doesn't mean it can't get a group of old ladies and bunch them up against the wall, but metaphors going off the walls now. But anyway, the weak price action moving up towards. I was trying. All right, but I think in pictures. I think in metaphors. No, I can identify whether something's going to be able to break or it's going to give us that type of price action. Based on just the opening, first 30 minutes, you can see really, and you did get a good pop, but then you retrace all the way back to that median, and then you get a slow move up. So everything's slow. Yeah, just imagine those two ladies. That's the price action on Meta this morning. That's the bid and the ask. Yo, what is going on there, dude? Your chart looks like Edward Scissorhands. Slice. Baba's holding, man. Baba is holding hard. SQQ bounced beautifully though. I'm pretty excited about that. That's good. Explains Tesla's PA. Yeah, this is easily syncable. So watch below 163. I still have a 150 put for September 30th. So, TOS is a good one. Trade Station's a good one. I think Weeble will let you have a cash account.
Rush, you taking Tesla off this 9 EMA bounce?
It looks
no,
good.
I haven't been watching Tesla yet today.
I like 880 better for a bounce, but or 879.60, but we'll see.
It looks like it's going up, yeah. After it was going down for a bit. It didn't hit that 80 thing you're talking about. It's probably going up now, yeah. If you're on a call. Pretty sure you said you were on a call.
What? And what meta?
Yeah. No, Tesla for Rod.
Oh shit! I was like, what? I mean, I am. No, I'm scared.
About Tesla.
Yeah.
I like the the 9-day moving average is sitting here at 8, but the R1 is 878.50. So, to be honest with you guys, I have no idea. I have no idea what's going on with BABA right now. I think it's just mostly because JD V-shaped on us. So if you have it, it's still bearish, period. But I think JD's leading today, so you can go and set an alert on JD's 57.27. It's probably going to lead BABA to the upside. So. I can hit 1,500, 2K a day. Good day, 5K. A great day, 5K. You know, I've had 10K days last month, and then sometimes I have $15 days, or I'm red. Impulsive. Nice bounce off that 9, Rod.
Yeah, I'm on.
you need to clear up. I'd say 886 again, and I'll start pressuring shorts out. I mean, it may. I think the market in general, this is not price action that I'd like to participate in at the moment, everybody. So if you choose to participate, by all means, continue to participate. But when did I hold on to that? Okay, that was an accident. Yeah, I'm down $29 on SQQ. I'm not upset about it. If you guys need to hedge below at 38.60. You got another bounce at 38.40. For BABA, I'm out of most of everything, but I want to go ahead and get back into it. I'm gonna go ahead and chart this a little bit and see if I can't see like what the hell's going on as far as if I missed something or something of that nature. Not really. I guess you just bounced right here.
Still in Tesla.
Fuck, Baba. There's Tesla, dude. Nice.
800 right now.
889, 890, right here. Next little leg.
Fixing to dump.
Huh?
Fixing to dump Tesla right here.
Perfect. There it is. Good volume.
Bam. Thank you.
If you get above 891 or 892, you will more than likely just go straight to 895.
Staying on the table.
That's a big bounce. It actually did hit that 880 level you're talking about.
The link is in my bio for that website. Fuck, JD is squeezing.
When Tesla's running and it comes back down to the 3-minute chart down to the 9 EMA and bounces, you better jump. Okay.
Nice one, Ron.
That's sweet.
Yeah,
Bad
just
in that trade.
looking at that, that was perfect. It's exactly how I would have played it.
Dude, where is T-Mobile at?
last chance is $89.95, $90 for Baba. Absolutely insane price action on Baba today, but I'm glad we TP'd out of that. Check on Roblox. Oh my god, that looks terrible. That looks so short. Oh my god. Yeah, I'd be licking my chops if I was trying to short Roblox at the moment. Looks like you got a little bit of a downtrend here and there. All right. Real quick, Discord. Hold on 1 second. All right, so if you guys are on YouTube or TikTok, I'm gonna go ahead and hang out in the Discord here for just a little bit longer, and I will be live again later on in the Discord around 1 o'clock. You guys, if you guys are curious, are welcome to join. We don't open trials till the end of the month. Otherwise, if you guys are new, you guys don't need to be buying anybody's services, anybody's anything. There's nothing that's out there that's going to help you other than having the drive to learn this stuff on your own and ask questions when the resources are available to you guys. So feel free to always hop in the Discord. There's plenty of free information, free books, free everything. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and hop off and hang out in the Discord for the rest of the day. So if you guys had a good day or have any games to share, you guys can do that again. Or you guys can drop that in the Discord as well. So I have a Discord.
Just kind of been watching today.
It's premium Discord. So again, I'm
Twitch
not trying to get you guys to join my group or anything. I'm just that's where people who do pay, I give them the majority of my time and attention. So obviously they pay for it. So but if you guys have questions, use my presence here as like a free Q&A.
Yesterday.
Yeah, as soon as it started bouncing back up over VWAP, I went ahead and cut it, and I'm glad I did.
I'm gonna hold my
I
meta
still
short.
ended up doing I think it was 2,800 on it total.
If you guys are on TikTok here, if you guys don't mind, go check out, like, and drop a comment on the new TikToks that I've dropped over the last couple of days. I think I'm shadow banned.
Overall, it was.
But other than that, I appreciate you guys.
Full trade. So it wasn't terrible. But I went in pretty heavy on some of those contracts.
Double.
Yeah, let me let's get a pulse check here.